Hi everyone, welcome back to our Sepro training session. So for today's session, I'm going to show you how to create sourcing project. Take note that sourcing is an Ariba term that covers tender, quotation, and direct negotiation. So first, go to your single sign-in account, click on the selection of apps, and you should see Sepro and Sepro QAS. So Sepro is the production site where you do your real project. Sepro QAS is the test site for training purposes. So for today's training, click on Sepro QAS and click sign in. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Depending on the license given to you, be it contracts, sourcing, or supplier management, different tabs will be shown here. To access the project that you are currently in progress or that you have completed, go to Documents tab and search your project here. Okay, to create sourcing project, go to the top right corner of your dashboard and click Create. Click on Sourcing Project and you will be redirected to an overview page. So this is the page where you create your sourcing overview. So whatever that you have set here will determine your project. Please take note that questions that are highlighted or are being highlighted by me with the mark of asterisk are a required field. It's a mandatory field you need to fill in before you can create your sourcing project. The first thing you need to do is to type the name of your project here. Description question is a simple description of your project. For example, the location or the materials that you are procuring. Okay, so copy from project is a function where you can copy your previous project and populate in your current project. So just simply click on the name of the project. If it's not being populated here, you can click other and you can search for your project. So you can click on that previous project and it will populate in here, and you can edit it as per required of the current project. Okay, so the project name will always be full project. Project state is active. If it's a test project, you click yes. If it's a real project, you click no. For reference number, it will be as per your department's reference code. Best language will be English and the origin is Ariba sourcing. So take note on these 6 questions being asked here. So this is a question that will determine your project template, and these questions will be set as per our PPP. So if your originating location is HQ, for example, your tender threshold will follow HQ tender threshold. If you select regions and power station, it will follow their own tender threshold. Select departments and division. Since I'm doing a tender, so I will be going to put the baseline spend as 750,000, which is a tender project. Procurement category will be goods, and this is not a Bumiputra restricted event. And for this training, the recurrence is only one time. Mode of procurement will be tender. So I need to select the tender committee. And then reason for choosing this tender committee we will put as per PPP. Target saving is another options that you can use in Ariba. If you select on 5%, so during your tender evaluation, it will show how much savings that you get. Will it achieve this 5% or not? Okay, you can ignore the others. And for contract months and contract effective date is a draft date or an approximate date for your tender. But take note that during your contract workspace later, you will need to specify the date, the contract effective date. Alright, so go to the end of this page, click on Sepro Tender and Quotation Process Template, and you will see the first question is invited, open, or open plus invited event. Depending on your project, you might choose invited open or open invited. For this project, I will choose invited. And then how will the evaluation be conducted? So this is basically your envelope system, whether it's a one envelope or two envelope, means separate technical and commercial evaluation. I will choose one envelope system. And then the two last question is, will you be doing pre-qualification event or do you intend to run auction after the RFP? So I will not be doing a pre-qualification event and I will not be doing an auction after the RFP. For this purpose of this project, I will show you how to create a tender directly. Okay, once you fill in everything, you click on create.